my God, how good does that look? Right guys, don't walk to Lidl, run to Lidl. Oh, look at that compost, $1.99. First off, sanitize your basket, grab it, and let's get to it. And oh my God, they've got it back in stock. Fajita seasoning, only 36p. Also, grab yourself 2 of these chicken microwavable rice, 69p each. Next, grab yourself some chopped tomatoes, 35p. Also, you want to grab yourself some red onions at 89p. Next, grab yourself a red pepper, 59p. Right, now to find some meat, and I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to get some diced chicken breast at $2.99. And finally, grab yourself some of these chorizo slices, 99p. Right, now to find someone to cook it up for me. Listen,
$7.99.
Never mind Peter Stone's love. Cook me something up.
Easy.
Right, so we're back home now, Lucy. So what exactly are you making me?
Well, I'm going to make fajita rice, all done in one pan. Brilliant ingredients again. And some chorizo as well, that's going to be really tasty. So first off, I'm going to get this chicken into a hot oiled pan. So while the chicken is cooking, add your fajita seasoning and give it a good mix around, make sure it's all coated. Whilst that's cooking away, I'm just going to cut up my red onion, and I think I'm going to be using 2. Once you've cut your red onion, chop your red pepper up and get those straight into the pan with the chicken. So it's up to you whether you leave your chorizo whole, but I'm just going to score them down the centre and add them in as halves. And I'm just going to put in the whole packet. And now go in the chopped tomatoes. Going to add all those in, give it a mix around, and leave that cooking for about 7 minutes. And guys, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas? So now all the chicken is cooked through, you want to add your rice. Now, I haven't put this in the microwave, you can just put it straight into your pan, but just make sure it's all broken up in the packet first. And if you want to make your own rice, you can do. You can use any flavour rice that you like. I've just gone for the chicken one. They did do a Mexican one as well, which would go nice too. And then we're just going to coat all that to make sure it's all coated with the chicken and veg. And that is ready to serve up. These one pot meals are so easy. And like I said, you can use any veg in that. It's just like fajita, so I use like the peppers and the onions. You can put a green pepper in there if you like a bit of colour. And then that's it. An absolute massive portion size there. So that's Mark's portion size. As you can see, there's absolutely loads left in the pan. So Mark, give it a go.
Right, let's give it a go then. Another savvy meal from Lucy Lou. That's serious like. Right, so we've got some chicken, chorizo, pepper, onion, and some rice. That is gorgeous. Oh, it's got a bit of a kick. That fajita seasoning though, 36p, what a bargain. Make any chicken taste flavoursome. Guys, go to Lidl, give that a try.